So I planted these potatoes out quite a long time ago in this potato bag. I put them at the bottom on top of about 3 inches of compost or earth. As the potato plant grew up, I've been covering it, practically covering the leaves. I'll just show you now what I'm going to do. I've got this little one. Actually, I'm really pleased with these guys because I thought there wasn't a potato there, but that's caught up. So I'm literally gently, I don't want to break the leaves. I gently put them round like this, and I'm building up the earth. I'm actually covering those little leaves up completely. They will actually pop up. This is about the last covering I'll do, and every time I do it, I do about another 2 or 3 inches, and I've done this about 6 times. So when the when the potatoes come up, they'll flower, and once the flower is dead, your potatoes are ready.